Hey, how's it going everyone? My name is Chris and welcome to Path to Wellness. Today's video is day 6 of the 7-day plant-based challenge. So I hope everyone's doing well out there. Things are going really great. On day 6, it was a similar layout to the other days of this challenge. At 10 a.m. I did a workout, and day 6 workout was a 5-mile run. And then I had my first meal at around 12:30. So I'll show you here momentarily. So I hope everyone's doing well out there. Let me know what type of plant foods you've been eating and how things are going. And here's what I had. At about 12:30, I started off with an acai bowl. It had some berries, bananas, and granola on it. And with the acai bowl, I had 2 of these trail mix cookies, which were basically like healthy cookies, like trail mix, but put into cookie form. At 3 o'clock, I decided to put together this smoothie. And I have a couple of bananas, some frozen pineapple. I'm gonna use a couple tablespoons of soaked chia seeds, 4 dates soaked in water. I'm gonna use a scoop of each of these, Muscles by Nature and Superfood by Nature. Those are berries and greens, just powdered, from Dr. Robert Morse. And a scoop of Marcus Roscrans Wild Forest Green formula. Bunch of powdered plants as well. There's the smoothie. Started having it and it's delicious. So I like adding the pineapple in there. Tastes good. So I'll be back with what's next. At 6 o'clock, I had a bowl of grapes just before the main part of my dinner. And for dinner, I put together a big green salad. It had mixed greens, avocado, celery, cucumber, and apple. And with the salad, I had the sweet potato with hot sauce on it. So I just steamed a sweet potato and threw some hot sauce on there. It was really tasty. So that was it for day number 6. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more video. Give a thumbs up if you liked the video. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.